I didn't think I was going to be safe here. My dad came out specifically because it was just going to be on me on my own, because he was so worried about the safety aspect as a 19-year-old girl in Qatar. From coming here, that's not been the case. As a travelling female fan, I can say that I have felt very safe. I've had no catcalling, no wolf whistling, nothing like that.
It's quite a good atmosphere still, even though there's no drink, and then everyone's being sensible, so it's not your typical like fighting and everything like you'd see back home. Everyone's getting on with it and everyone's happy.
People were a bit more wild with booze in their system. So over here, I think that's something that has helped a lot. And also, security has been really strict, so that also helps.
Pues es demasiado, en los estadios es muy seguro, pues tú no ves que alguien te toque, o sea, la gente es súper respetuosa, el ambiente es muy bueno.